All right, I'm going to try to talk you through this project that we're going to be working on. So, um, we are going to look at in this unit and really the entire quarter, statistical problem solving process. Like I said in those questions I answered, the final thing that we're going to look at is an article where you guys look through the data of your peers. So we're going to basically do a really small scale final project. But with this final project, you don't know how to make a chart, you don't know how to look at it. I'm just kind of seeing what you know, and we'll kind of talk about it as we go throughout. And so you're going to choose one topic. I'll show you those in a moment. And you're going to create a form that asks a certain question during that topic. And then you're going to use that form to collect data, then doing however you feel like you're going to organize the data, and then you're going to interpret your findings. So I'll create another video about how to create a Google form, but this is what's in there. You want to make sure that you have what your name, so I know whose it is, what your topic is, and 2 questions that you want to ask the class. There's only, I think right now there's 13 of us. So it's not going to be great data, but it's going to be what you want to, 2 questions that you can ask the class to get to answer your topic. And you'll talk about both those. So then you'll go and when I do the Google form video, I'll show you guys how to paste in the stream, so that everyone can do it. And so this project kind of relies on others making sure that they do it, but I don't think it should be a problem. No one wants to look at data, just the data set. And so I don't want you guys to just post 11 numbers up there. I want you guys to organize the data, however you can figure out. We're going to spend some time this quarter working on Google Sheets and Desmos and other organizing ways, but I just want you guys to go, whether that's through Google Sheets, whether that's through you search or histograms, or whatever you guys do. The one thing you cannot do is on the Google form, it gives you a graph suggestion. Do not copy and paste that graph suggestion in there. And then you guys will write a paragraph that explains and organizes your data. So what did you find with your 2 questions? What can you find with your 2 graphs? At the end, you're going to put all of this, except for the form, on a Google slide. So you guys will create a Google slide that you'll turn in. And on there, you'll have your question, you'll have your organized data, and your findings. The other thing that you will turn in, and we'll have a chance to look at, is I do want you guys to talk for about 1 minute and 30 seconds for that. And so there's this program called Flipgrid. And if you go to Flipgrid, if you click on that link, and you just log in, make sure you log in using your PSD account. Should get to this screen. I'm the cool guy with the sunglasses, I guess. But when you come down here, it says in 1 minute and 30 seconds, describe what you found out about the class. So basically talk about the paragraph and talk about your chart. I was hoping for some way where you would have your slide up there and you can talk about it, but I'll try to figure that out. So there's going to be kind of 2 separate things. So maybe have your slide up while you're talking about it so you know what you're looking at. And then you just hit record a response and you can start recording the response. Then that should be it. Here are the topics. This document will be on Google Classroom too, so you guys can look at that. But here are the topics. Either the height, how long it takes people to get to school. This one probably not that great this quarter because everyone's at school already. Just the people that live with, left, right-handed, type of technology they use, animals, after-school activities, food, where they might want to live when they grow up, and if you have any other that you want to figure out. Now you can either you can do 2 separate topics if you want. I would rather you take height and ask 2 questions about height. Maybe something like, hey, how tall are you? And then also, do you wish you were taller or smaller? Shorter, I guess. So I would want you to take that out, but the overall process is just kind of asking a question, talk about a topic, and determine what you're finding. So that's what it will look like. Look for the next video on how to create a Google form.